When you look at a premium aircraft seat, the patterns, the textures, the details, most people see design. But behind that design is a technology, CNC stitching. And understanding what it can do changes the way you think about your cabin.
CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, a programmed machine that executes stitch patterns with mathematical precision. Every line, every curve, every intersection, exactly where the design specifies it. No deviation, no variation. This is not about replacing craftsmanship. It's about enabling a level of precision and consistency that makes designs possible which would be impractical or impossible by hand.
So why does that matter in an aircraft cabin?
2 reasons. First, precision. A complex pattern requires every stitch point to be exactly right. 1 millimeter off and the pattern breaks visually. CNC delivers that accuracy across the entire surface, even on large or curved pieces. Second, repeatability. A cabin might have 8 seats, 2 divans, partition panels, cushions. Every piece needs the identical pattern at the identical quality. CNC guarantees that the first piece looks exactly like the last, and the program is stored. Years later, for refurbishment or replacement, the exact same pattern can be reproduced, identical.
Most people know diamond stitching, but is that really the full picture?
Diamond is the classic, but it's a default, not a design decision. CNC opens up the full range: hexagons, chevrons, waves, geometric grids, organic curves, fully custom patterns. If a design can be drawn, it can be stitched.
And there's a practical benefit too. A smooth, unstitched leather surface shifts over time, pooling, creasing, wrinkles. CNC stitching anchors the leather to the structure underneath. It holds its shape. It's not just design, it's longevity. What if we take the same technology and go in the opposite direction? Instead of adding depth, we take material away.
Perforations use the same principle of CNC precision, but instead of stitching layers together, patterns are created by precisely removing material. Micro-perforations that form geometric motifs, fine lines, subtle textures. The eye registers it as design, a surface that catches light differently, that changes depending on the angle.
One technology, 2 dimensions. CNC stitching delivers the precision and consistency that makes premium seat design possible.
And it doesn't stop at the seat. Divans, sidewalls, cushions, the same design language can carry through the entire cabin.
The question isn't what's available, it's what you want your cabin to express. Ready to explore what's possible for your cabin? Talk to our sales team, and let's make it yours.